Do you want your dropshipping store to generate more sales? In this video, I'll share with you 20 time-tested tips to achieve it. Hi, thanks for joining me today. My name is Alicia and this is AliDropship channel. We are the team that's created a super convenient solution for dropshipping business owners, AliDropship plugin, which turns any WordPress site into an AliExpress dropshipping store. We are happy to change the lives of people all over the globe with the help of this tool. You can benefit from it as well. If you don't know how you can do it yet, learn more from this video. Today we're talking about a burning issue, increasing your sales volume. We have collected 20 tips that we have tested ourselves, so here they are. Ideally, nothing should distract your website visitors from your products and shopping cart. That's why you need to look for minimalist designs. Check out the examples of our site themes here. By the way, all these store layouts are available to the users of our e-commerce solution. You can check out demo stores if you'd like. Make sure your online store has a clear structure and navigation. For this purpose, revise your product categories. Maybe some goods are located in the wrong places. This can be inconvenient and disappointing to your visitors. If your store page doesn't open in 3 seconds or less, no one will wait until it loads. If you don't want to lose potential clients because of it, check your store speed. There are lots of free instruments you can use for this purpose. Just search for website speed test. These tools will show recommendations that will help to optimize your site speed. A discount coupon can change the store visitor's mind, especially if it's the first shopping experience on this website. Use it to your advantage. For example, ask first-time store visitors to provide their email addresses in exchange for a discount. They will be pleased to get a bonus and you will use these email addresses to reach them again with your promotional offers. Everyone is happy. Make the purchase process as simple as possible. Nothing should distract your clients from placing their orders. The easier it is for visitors to complete their purchases, the less likely they are to change their mind halfway to making a purchase. There is nothing better than buyer testimonials if you need to win your clients' trust. With our solution, you can showcase real customer feedback in a super appealing way. Click on this link to learn more. Don't just offer products, offer guarantees and safety. Return policy is highly important in e-commerce. Your customers want to be absolutely sure they can get their money back if something goes wrong. Give them this security. Communication is one of the key success factors in business, so talk to your customers, answer their questions and complaints. Do not be rude and do not blame your clients even if it's their fault. This customer service guide will be helpful. Do not sell products, sell benefits they offer. Check your product pages and descriptions. A mug with a cute print and a lid is a product. For example, tell your customers that they could bring it everywhere they go and they will always have a warm beverage. Those are benefits. Maybe some of your products need a clearer message that describes what buyers will actually get. If a customer is having doubts, make it clear that the offer is limited in time. This stimulates people to make decisions quickly in order not to lose the opportunity. Check out this article to learn how to do it right. In the same article I mentioned before, we also describe a similar trick to stimulate impulse purchases. Make it seem like you're running out of product stock. It will motivate your store visitors to make their shopping decisions quicker. Emails are not just letters that tell your clients about what's happening on your website. They are powerful drivers of customer loyalty as they let you get in touch with the subscribers again and again. That's too good an opportunity to miss out. For example, you can send an email offering a selection of new products or a discount connected to the upcoming holidays. Cross-selling means offering products that are related to the item which has already got your client's interest. Probably you've seen these features in many online stores, and the websites built with our solutions have this functionality as well. Here the idea is almost the same. You offer your clients a similar version of the item that interested them, but pick more expensive products. In other words, you offer customers to replace a product they want with a more expensive and better version. Decoy pricing means that you push your price-sensitive customers to make a specific product choice. Simply speaking, you offer 3 product options: a cheap one, an expensive one, and a middle-priced one. Statistically, if people can compare several versions of the same product, they are likely to choose a middle-priced option. A buyer persona is a general image of your average or perfect client. It's not the same as the entire customer audience. It's like a representation of a person you are targeting. It's always a good idea to run a blog on your website. You create a valuable content that attracts visitors and works as a good sign for search engines. Plus, you prove that you know a lot about products you sell. On a global scale, more than half of online purchases are made through mobile devices. And if you want to increase your online store sales, make sure your website looks good and works well on smartphones and tablets. Split testing is a technique to compare several versions of the same element on your website. These versions are shown to equal numbers of random users, and after a while you can see which options works better. It helps to make the right decisions about your developing business. As you can see, there are lots of strategies and techniques to increase sales. However, not all of them bring immediate results. Don't worry, try these tips out one by one to see what works for your business and what doesn't. Over time, you'll see your online store sales go up. If you're not sure what should you fix in your store, maybe you could use a store review by our experts. You can find this service on services page at AliDropship.com. Our dropshipping managers will review your entire website and recommend the improvements that you need to make to get your business back on track. Thank you for watching. I hope you've learned something new today, and I'll be happy to see you again. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and you'll never miss new educational dropshipping videos from our channel. See you later. Bye.